Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial where I'm excited to help you discover the amazing potential of this newly launched campaign post-purchase upsells new, with which you'll be able to present multiple upsell offers at a time. Let's just dive right in. One of our most important and powerful features is this post-purchase option, which allows you to effortlessly offer relevant upsells to your customers after they purchase. This will boost their average order value and also enhance the overall shopping experience without interrupting the checkout process. You might have heard of a similar campaign, post purchase upsell campaign, but with this new post purchase upsell campaign, you can do even more. That is why we have this amazing guide with simple steps of creating a post purchase upsell campaign using our user friendly Upsell WP plugin. Let's first head over to the WordPress dashboard. I have installed Upsell WP here. So let's just go to the dashboard and start creating our campaign right away. Click on this campaigns tab to find and create a new campaign. So click on this create new campaign button and choose a campaign type. The campaign type for this video is going to be post purchase upsells. This is the new one. It's in the beta phase and hence you might have to use this campaign. So click on this create campaign button, which will take you to step 2. Choose a page builder. You can select your preferred page builder here. If it's WordPress, go for this, and if it's Elementor, you can just use this. So let's just click on this WordPress and then click on continue. It's a good news that Upsell WP supports Elementor as well. Then comes step 3, choosing the templates for your post purchase upsell. So let's just go and see the templates that we have. We have 1 and 2 here. This is 1 and this is 2. All right, so let me just go for this template 1 by clicking on this use this template button, which will take us to the next step, which is configuring of your main upsell offer post purchase. So let's just choose a product here. This is the offer product, so let me just go for the offer product to be cap. You can just enter your own products here, and then comes the quantity field. In case you want to leave it to customers wish, you can just leave this empty, or if you want to give definite quantities, then you can go for numbers here. I'm leaving it empty because I want it to be customized by the customers themselves. And then comes content and design. With Upsell WP, you will be able to personalize your offers according to your store and the way your customers want it. So let's just go further and dig deep into the options available here. The first one is order details. So if you click on this order details, you'll be able to see the order details presented at the top of the upsell offer, right? So if you do not want that, you can just disable it or enable it according to your choice. And then comes notice type, custom notice or WooCommerce notice. This is WooCommerce notice. And for custom notice, you can just go this one. That's the difference here. And then comes title and description. You can just edit the title and the description of your offers like this. All right, so once you do that, you can also enter a description here and edit it according to your choice. And then comes product image. You can just go for the default image or a custom image by clicking on this button and you'll be able to upload one. I'm going for product image. Then comes discount, which is an exciting part of this post-purchase upselling. So you can choose to provide discount or no discount or free or fixed discount, percentage discount based on your requirements. Let me just go for a percentage discount of 20%. And then comes buttons. You can also edit the button text here. As you can see, there are 2 buttons, add offer to my order and decline offer. You can just try to edit them if you want. And then comes timer. Interesting thing about post-purchase offer is that you can limit it for a specific time period. And for that, we also display a countdown timer here. So if you want this, you can enable this, otherwise disable it. And then comes notice type. You can either go for custom notice or go for WooCommerce notice. This is what WooCommerce notice is. I'll go for this custom notice. And then comes duration. You can also edit the duration according to your preferences. We have set it for 5 by default, 5 minutes, but you can just edit it to your needs. And then comes message. You can also choose to edit the message in the timer according to your wish, and you will have to keep the shortcodes such as minutes and seconds as it is because they retrieve the value. And then comes order totals. You can notice that the subtotal, discount, and order total is displayed. So if you want this, you can enable it, otherwise disable it. I'm going to have this. And then comes usage limits. The first one is overall usage limit, which is a number that you can set to limit this usage of the entire campaign. For example, if I set 1 here, it means this entire campaign will run only once, regardless of the users. Or you can also set it based on the customer. That is, you can limit it to 1 here. So if you put 1 here, it means each customer can only run this campaign once. So these are some options. By default, you can see they are unlimited. And then once you have finished the configuration, you can move to the design part, where you have the option to further customize the look and feel of this particular post purchase offer, starting with the template. So you can just customize it by going for different options for background color, padding, order, etc. Similarly for the order details, and then title and description. And then comes the timer. You can in fact customize it. Let me just go for a different color. Then comes buttons. You can also customize them according to your needs. And then edit template page. So if you click on this, you'll be redirected to the page configuration at the back end. So here you can further customize the page, and here are the shortcodes that we normally use. Now with this option, you'll be able to further customize it. All right. Now with all the things that we have been doing, let's just save the changes and move forward to the next step, which is why this newly launched campaign is there for you. So in case you're trying to offer so what's new about this post-purchase upsell campaign, which we have newly launched, is that the ability to present multiple offers at a time by simply using the add offer buttons here to include additional upsell sub offers based on your customer's decision to either accept or decline the main offer. Let me explain. For example, if you go click on the place order button, you'll be presented with a cap as the main upsell product. Now, customers have two options to either accept the offer or decline the offer. So with this new post-purchase upsell campaign, you will be able to present sub-upsell offers. This, if customers choose to accept the cap as the main offer, they'll be presented with another upsell product, which they can again accept or decline. Similarly, if customers choose to decline the cap product, then they will be presented with another product that they can again accept or decline. Let me show you so you will have a clear understanding. So let's just first configure the what if accept part. All right, so if customers choose to accept the main offer, then what next? For this, let's click on this add offer button and configure another product that we're trying to present it to customers in case they choose to accept the main upsell offer. For this, I'm just going for a t-shirt. You can follow the same steps that we follow for the main upsell offer to customize the content, design, and other fields. So let me just quickly save these changes. So now we will present t-shirt to our customers if they choose to accept cap offer. Now, in case they choose to decline the cap offer, then we also have another option there. We're going to go with a different product to see if they would like it. So let's just click on this add offer button and go with a different product here. Let me present a beanie cap. Right. So the rest of the configuration are just the same. You'll have to simply repeat the steps, customize it to your desire. So here we go. Now, if customers do not accept cap, then they will be presented with beanie, which they can again decide if they want to accept or decline. So we also have a third level of upselling here where you again can present products if customers choose to accept this child upsell, that is t-shirt, or decline it. Similarly for beanie. And this is the last level. After this, you'll not be able to add more offers because this is the exit point. So if you leave this empty, it means that customers will exit if no other offer is added. Similarly, even if you add offers here, this is the last point of their experience. All right. So there you go. You can just add offers here to see the big picture. And that's it. Now an additional criteria is the condition. Now an additional option is the conditions. So if you click on this conditions, you'll be able to see a button called add conditions. If you click on it, you'll be able to personalize your post-purchase upsell campaign if they meet specific conditions such as order conditions, like restricted to certain products or categories in the cart, and then purchase history, user role, user specific users, date and time, etc. So if you want to go for any of those conditions, you can very well use them. I'm not going to use any of them for now. And then you also have optional settings such as priority. This decides which campaign has to be displayed first. And then comes start date and end date where you can schedule your campaigns. And that's it. Now that you're ready, you can just put this live and save and close this particular post purchase upsell campaign. And you can see that it's live. Now that it's active, let me show you what it looks like on the storefront. So for this, let me just take you to my store. Well, I'm going to be adding few products to my cart to complete the procedure and move to the checkout. So here is my checkout page. Going to the checkout, you'll not be able to see anything because this is the post purchase offer. So let's click on place order. And now you'll be able to see that the customer is presented with CAP, the main upsell offer. And the customer has two options now. One is adding offer to their order or decline this offer. We have set upsell offers for both these options. So let me just try adding offer to my order. Now I'll be able to see a t-shirt, which is the sub offer. Now again, if I had set the third level upsell products, then I will also see another product before completing this process. But for now, if I click on this add offer to my order, it means that t-shirt will be added to my order. And you can see that cap and t-shirts are the products that I've opted to buy from upselling. Great, isn't it? I am so glad that this video was able to assist you. Our new post-purchase upselling feature is designed to make upselling a breeze by helping you display multiple upsell offers at a time, ensuring that your customers won't miss out on any additional products before completing their shopping journey. We bet this is such a deal breaker, so get it set up on your store today and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you up on another video.